So you tell me that we're these humans with names and physical bodies. You tell me that we have to slave away day after day just for money now. You tell me all of these lies. You tell me not to open my eyes, and something inside of me's trying to find a way out of me climbing. Can you see through the lies? Can you please open your eyes? We came to this world to dismantle the things we know, to let go and bring along this ancient song of love. This isn't something we do alone. We all have something to show, and no matter what you do, we'll all walk each other home. Let go of your doubt, 'cause believe me, we made it, we made it, we made it, yeah. Sorry, but I have to say, there is something wrong with this world we live in. But you knew that obviously. But did you know it's okay, 'cause it all is changing. I grow impatient, waiting for the now moment. I can feel the distance between you and me. Shadow is illuminating, consciousness is crystallizing. The shadow is illuminating, consciousness is crystallizing. Can you see through the lies? Can you please open your eyes?